Step into the world of the gentle giants, the magnificent elephants. These incredible creatures are not just the largest land animals on Earth.
In this video, I will show you how to create a complete AI video totally free to use and share without any watermarks or trial period, totally free using CapCut. Before we start, just feel free to ask any question about any detail that you don't understand or any issue with CapCut, and it will be answered within 24 hours. Just a quick note before we begin, this tool is now free at the time of recording this video, but it might change in the future. With that said, let's start the process. First, open CapCut either from the formal website www.capcut.com or desktop version. Click on Free AI Video Maker either from here on the right menu, then click on Instant AI Video. Now, you can either ask it to auto-generate the script or paste the script if you already generated it using other AI tools such as ChatGPT. For the sake of this tutorial, I will type "Create a documentary video about tigers." You can choose the aspect ratio of the video and the style of the image that will be generated inside the video. Then choose the voice of the narrator. You can test by clicking the button next to its name.
Welcome to creating voiceovers.
Welcome to creating voiceovers.
Welcome to creating voiceovers.
Last, set the length of the video that you want to create. Hit the Generate button and wait until the process is finished. There we have it. Now, the generated video consists of collections of text and video next to it.
Have you ever looked into the eyes of a tiger? They hold the stories of ancient forests, the spirit of the wild, and a power that has captivated humans for centuries. From the snowy landscapes of Siberia to the dense jungles of Southeast Asia, these magnificent big cats are the true kings and queens of their domain.
To change any text, just click on it. But after you finish, make sure to click on Regenerate button next to it. Otherwise, it won't change anything.
Have you ever looked into the eyes of a giant tiger? They hold the stories of ancient forests.
If you don't like the imagery, just click on Change. Then either click Regenerate or select a video from the stock library.
Have you ever looked into the eyes of a giant tiger? They hold the stories of ancient forests, the spirit of the wild, and a power.
Now, for further editing, click on Edit More. This yellow bar represents the overlay text. Click on it to change the appearance.
Have you ever looked into the eyes of a giant tiger? They hold the stories of ancient forests, the spirit of the.
Go to the templates to choose an animation. Just important note, don't select the dotted ones because they are premium features and will ask you to upgrade your account to the paid version.
Have you ever looked into the eyes of a giant tiger? Have you ever looked into the eyes of a giant tiger? They hold the stories of ancient forests.
Of course, you can edit any part of the video from the tracks down here as you do with normal videos. When you are good to go, click on Export, choose the desired settings, and then click on Export. It might take some time, especially on the web version, so be patient. Now, let's open the downloaded video.
Have you ever looked into the eyes of a giant tiger? They hold the stories of ancient forests, the spirit of the wild, and a power that has captivated humans for centuries.
As you can see, it is totally free of watermark and ready to use or publish. Of course, this was a simplified tutorial. More advanced tutorials are on the way soon. Therefore, make sure to subscribe and like. And as mentioned before, if you have any questions, drop them in the comments section of the video. Now, watch the next video that will appear in front of you soon.